Hi everyone, I am Sukmal Singh, a software developer from Punjab, India. This is my capstone project for 5-day AI agentic intensive vibe coding with Google. I built LifeOS, an AI-powered personal life manager that uses Google ADK multi-agent system to manage your task, system, finance, and health. So here is my interface of my project, and the project name is LifeOS Orchestrator. What the orchestrator is? Orchestrator is the main agent that will analyze our query and schedule the appointment to the specific agent. So these are my five sub-agents like tool, schedule, finance, health, and monitoring. When we click over the task agent, it will give a brief introduction to himself, that who I am, my tools, my MCP I use, my security features, and what I do. That it can do add a task, list pending task, completed task, setting priority, deleted task, clear all task. These all the things it will do. And same goes with schedule is that who am I, what I do, my tools, what are used the tools like list event, delete event, update event, quick add event, read file, write file, all the things will done over here, and which an MCP server used and security features. Same goes with finance, health, and morning beef agent. So let us quick start with our agent. So let's give the hello. Hello, I am LifeOS, your personal life manager, and it tells about that it have five sub agents and what I help you with today. So as first I give him that add complete capstone project to my task with high priority. Okay, so done. Edit complete project capstone project to our task. As where this task goes, and it will go in the code as I have created different folder for the task schedule, finance, and health and morning brief agent. And there is one file that task.json, schedule.json, and all our data store over here. And the data is fetching from the, if you want to get our data, and that all that data and information and fetch from the particular agent's JSON files. So here we done. Now if I give it from show my task, okay, show my task. Okay, here the list of tasks one on, as I only have the one task complete caption of project priority high pending as status of a pending and I haven't completed the task. So if I want to delete my task, okay, I can have the title or ID. Okay, delete my capstone project task. Okay, here the task is a related task complete capstone project. Okay, so further we move on as we are doing a quick start. So I will give a link, GitHub link in the description box. And you can clone the project and analyze by yourself. So schedule, final submission review. Okay, and the agent will know this will this but this task will go to the schedule. Agent will handle this task. So let us see what comes. Hmm. Okay, I already have a final submission review on. Okay, before I already have created this schedule final agent that let make some another. Uh, mm, uh, let's make okay, let's make a car review on 7, 10. Okay, Okay, I have already scheduled the final review. Here we go. Send. Okay, here is a car review 10 a.m. and these projects are already added while I am testing. Okay, here is a new added July 7 um, car review. Okay, so let's begin continue. Yes, so okay, what let's continue. What appointments do I have? And this is smartly analyzing the query which sub-agent will have to be scheduled. And here it will get that this is related to our scheduling an event, so that orchestrator will hand over this schedule to our handled by schedule agent. So that is what that things come. What appointment do I have? Okay, there are a list of appointment that team meeting, final submission, car review, and these two are before we have added, and now we have added a car review. This is already listed over here. So let's continue with okay. Okay, set daily budget to 1500. And this very related to our finance agent that okay, daily budget is already set to 1500. Is there anything else? Okay, this is already set, already I have set it. So let's make our expense log 600 for lunch. Okay, log let's make it 1500 grocery. It will give us some alert. Okay, let us see what it gives. Okay, I have logged your expense of 1500 for grocery as budget warning. It gives that your daily expense is the limit of 1500, but it is over by 2100. Though as it also mentions the date and gives it gives the alert. And these all data are stored in the particular JSON file of this sub-agent task in the code. So let's continue with our next agent. Let me 45 milliseconds. This is related to our health agent. Okay, yeah, they are here token are exceed. So you can also analyze by yourself and that health and money related these two agents are left. So I will keep the link in the description box. You can analyze by yourself. So that's all my project and thank you.